When we're trying to get somebody to help us sell our deals internally, what will help us, and a lot of times we skip over, is not just the facts, the figures, the case study that they can bring to their leadership and go, this project is working. But the more we can help them be a hero within their organization, the more we can call them out. The greatest athletes in the world are always the ones, it just seems like it, whenever they're being interviewed, there's the confetti going down, they got the hat and the t-shirt on. You'll see the Hall of Famers will always say the same thing. Team win. Oh, it was a team win. I'm so glad that I'm just happy to be part of the game here. You threw 6 touchdown passes. Oh, it's just, we got great receivers. We got a great group of guys upstairs calling in the right plays. I'm just real happy to be here, right? Like, that's the attitude you've got to take, because do you want to grow this account or do you want to be a hero? A lot of times, if you can figure out ways where you can make that other person a hero, where you can give them visibility, where you can send them emails like Adam with Ride Dog, send emails like, it is very rare that I find a store director or a regional manager that is thinking this far ahead in terms of loss prevention. That one line is going to get that email forwarded up the chain. Why? There's good stuff behind it, but it starts with, Adam, I was so impressed by our conversation today. It is so rare that I find a store director in power sports that really has their arms around the operation. Like, now what I'm doing is I'm paying him a compliment and I'm putting it in that email. Now he's going to want to make sure that other people sign that email. Is that passive aggressive? 100% on his part, not mine. I'm just putting the bait out there. He's going to take it and forward it up. And by the way, you don't have to lie and blow smoke, but just call out. Like, this works even in some of the more, like Derek with Strike Zone, right? Like, imagine if he sent something out to a parent that might have some difficulty selling the other parent. It was great having a conversation with you today. It's so refreshing to see parents, he's going to put plural on there because he's not going to play one against the other, that are taking such an interest in their kids' self-confidence in there and sending that over, right? Maybe he's working on a group thing for a corporate account, like a corporate kickboxing. So awesome to see human resources directors that are thinking out of the box in terms of reducing their stress for their clients. When we start that email with a note like that, then put the case study in there and everything else, we're allowing that person to be the hero, and we're at the very least allowing them to look good so that they can send that up the chain. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.